Hello friends, welcome to English with Mahmud Shamim. Today, my lesson is about gotta in spoken English. This is lesson 1. Before going to start, I would like to say one thing. If you are new, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You should watch the full video. Don't skip the full video. Maybe this video is important for you. And I would like to say one thing more. Basically, Native Americans use this phrase a lot in their English speaking. And if you want to speak like natives, so you have to know is about gotta clearly, and you have to have proper ideas or knowledge is about gotta. Okay, and after that you can speak to other person with confidently. So friends, let's get started. Friends, at first we have to know is about gotta. Okay, gotta generally means really need to or really want to, or we should say have to or must. Have to or must means obligatory. Okay, if you say from where gotta does come, I would say gotta comes from have got to or have got a. Okay, now I would like to describe is about I gotta plus verb, and then I will try to describe some important sentences here I have mentioned. Okay, so friends, let's see. Gotta is an informal phrase which is used a lot in English speaking. Okay, and I gotta is grammatically incorrect. It is more of a spoken form. If you want to use with proper grammar, the equivalent would be I have got to or I've got to. Okay, in this spoken form, got to is shortened to gotta, and the word have is dropped. Okay, so let's see. Here are some examples. Okay, the first example is I gotta manage my money. What does it mean? This sentence means I really need to manage my money. Okay, the next sentence is I gotta obey the laws. What does it mean? This sentence means that each and everyone should abide by the laws, and each and everyone should respect the law. In that concept, we can say, I must obey the laws, or I have to obey the laws. Okay? So the next sentence is, I gotta impress my boss. What does it mean? This sentence means, I really want to impress my boss. Okay? So next sentence is, I gotta brush my teeth. What does it mean? So this sentence means that if you do not brush your teeth regularly, so you will feel some problems like pain, gum disease, or infection, okay, in your teeth. That's why you have to brush your teeth. Okay, in that concept, we can say I must brush my teeth, or I have to brush my teeth. Okay, I think you got it. So next, gotta with a noun. So in this way, gotta means have got a. Okay, so gotta comes from have got a. So so most of the times we see people raise this with a noun. Okay, so here are some examples. I got a new car. New car is a noun. So next sentence is I got a meeting later on today. So meeting here is a noun. Okay. So next, I have got to is correct. I've got to is also correct. Here I can say I've is a short form of I have. Okay. I've gotta is correct and I gotta is also correct. Okay. Already I told you I gotta is grammatically incorrect and it is used a lot in spoken English. Okay, so now I would like to tell rule number one is with I, you, or we. The contraction for have. So examples are I've got to is also correct, and we could say I gotta is also correct. Okay, so I've got to equal to I gotta, both are same. Okay, both are used in spoken English. Okay, so next sentence is you've got to equal to you gotta. Okay, is correct. So next sentence is we've got to equal to we gotta. Okay, so we've got to equal to we gotta, both are same, both are used in spoken English. Okay, so rule number two, with he, she, it, or they, the contraction for has or have. So the examples are he, she, it has got to, okay, equal to he, she, it's gotta. What does it mean? So has got to is used with he, has got to is used with she, has got to is used with it. Okay, so we can say he's gotta, she's gotta, it's gotta. Okay, and they have got to. Okay, we could say they've gotta. Okay, is also correct. And both are used in English speaking. Okay, now I would like to describe some examples. From these examples, I think you can understand clearly it's about gotta. Okay, so the first example is I gotta go to the bathroom. What does it mean? This sentence means I really need to use the bathroom. Okay, so we could say I really need to pee. The next sentence is I gotta see that movie. What does it mean? This sentence means I really want to see that movie. Okay, so the last sentence is I gotta study. Okay, so study means mandatory. Okay, it means obligatory. So in that concept, we can say I have to study, or we could say I must study. Okay, so friends, I think you got important information is about gotta, how to use gotta in spoken English. I think you got it in this lesson. Okay, and if you have benefits in this lesson, so request uh, subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss any lesson when you upload. And if you have any queries or if you have any comment regarding this lesson, so write down your thoughts in comment below. Okay, and when I see I will try to reply back. Okay, so friends, bye for now, take care.